Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, nice meeting you, and I hope you like the video. Today we are playing Dread. I hope that you guys like this video so I can keep on posting, and let's get right into it. At first, I kinda treated it as a normal run, a normal Minecraft run. So, I just broke down a tree. I cut it down. At this point, I didn't really know what I was getting myself into. I knew basically nothing about this mod, only that it was a horror mod. And then I'm at this thing. I didn't know what it was, so I just ran away. But then I found this. Hit a weird hole in the ground. I don't know what it is, to be honest. But then I see massive building. While I was going into this place, I was wondering if this was like a village or something with mobs. But while I was looking around, I couldn't find anything. I was wondering if I could live here for the rest of the run. Looked around, don't know what the red stuff is. Found gold and some obsidian, but I couldn't really think of why this would be here. There was no villagers, to what I could see. There were a few skeletons, but not too many. Found this weird birthday cake. I don't know why it's there. I ate it though. Then there was this room. I just grabbed all the loot, thought this might be a good place to live, and just looted the place. as you can most likely tell, I suck at Minecraft, with things that I'm doing in this run making no sense, and me wasting time, which, to be honest, is what I usually do in a normal Minecraft run, but at this point I didn't really know what this place was or what to do, so I just started searching. I thought about it, and I finally decided to check other buildings to see if there was any other good loot or good places. Of course I got scared of the pressure plate because I suck at Minecraft, but then I found this house. This house was pretty empty, but one thing is, I did start hearing noises. Loud thumping. I thought it was because of the lever that I pulled, but I don't know. At this point I started getting paranoid, hearing all the loud stomping and all these noises. Got me really anxious, so I decided to place extra doors. There were many weird noises that I kept on hearing, so I just pulled out my gun and started, I don't know, camping the stairs. I wanted to see if I could crawl through the little gap, but I couldn't. So I decided to make, what are those things called again? Slabs. I started looking through the windows, just trying to see what that noise was, or trying to see what was out there. Because, to be honest, I did not want to deal with it. I kept on hearing the stomping, which really made me anxious and did not want me to deal with it, especially because of how loud and how many times I heard it. I decided to step outside for a little, but then I just ran instantly back because, like, I'm scared. And I went back into hiding. At this point, I just started looking around. Couldn't find what the noise was coming from. So, I decided to open the doors, and I decided to end the recording. Thank you for watching. If you watched the whole entire thing, or you just skipped to the end, thank you, and I hope you really liked the video.